How you doing today?
Well, other than that, you piece of crap.
I'm Donald.
I'm John.
Well, I take it drove here just fine?
Well, it's been driving fine forever. I'm not, it's just wonderful.
So you went in the store and came out and...
Oh, yeah, this is the second stop this morning. And listen to this, I mean, I just called my mechanic, and he said, let me listen to it spin, and he said, it's got to either be spark or fuel.
Stop.
Yeah.
Turn the key off, turn it back on, all the way. Don't start it.
Oh, start off.
Just turn it, keep doing it, about 10 times. A little slower.
Just keep doing it.
Making a fuel pump build pressure. If that's what it is. We'll find out in a second.
Now?
Go ahead and try to start it. Alright, hold. Give me 1 second. Have mercy.
Is it up?
Yeah, it's up.
Oh, good. I couldn't get the damn thing up a minute ago.
Yeah, they just kind of stick a little bit. What you do is pull it, reach through here, and just hit them, and it'll pop right up.
Oh, I beat all over the damn thing.
Did you really?
I was reading this.
It just didn't like you. It just didn't want to start.
It's not my day, I guess.
All right, let me hop back in your truck.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna climb underneath there when I tell you, just keep turning it over.
Okay.
And I'm gonna beat on your truck. All right, start turning it.
What were you beating on?
Gas tank. That's usually good for about 1 or 2 tricks.
What was he doing?
Fuel pump.
You think?
Yep.
Okay.
Don't shut it off to get where you need to go to.
No, I'm going right up to my mechanic's place.
Do me a favor and sign your name on the X for me.
You made it look so easy. I was so pissed because this truck, I've had it since it's brand new, and it's just a great truck.
It's a good looking old truck.
It's had a few things on it, but I'm almost thinking about restoring it.
It's a good looking truck, bud.
Yeah.
Like I said, don't shut it off to get where you got to go.
Yeah, it's pretty sure it's the fuel pump. He said it's either spark or fuel.
Yep.
If he had that right, he just listened to it. Well,
Oh yeah.
I appreciate that.
Not a problem, bud. I'm gonna wait. Make sure I'm gonna wait. Make sure you get out of the parking lot.
Yeah. Okay. About 5 miles to go. I guess there's no problem.
Just don't shut it off.
Yeah, okay. Thanks.
Don't be hot rodding it, you know.
I'm trying not to.
Have a good one, bud. Hey, hon.
Yeah.
I like to warn people. When I helped that guy out, you kind of got in the shot a little bit. But I run a YouTube channel. You ever watch YouTube?
A little bit.
A little bit. Well, you might be on it. There's no way around it.
Okay.
Anyway, if you look it up, it's Life of a Tow Truck Man on YouTube.
Okay.
It's my channel.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good one, hon.